EasyPianoOnline. Hi everyone! In this tutorial we will learn Autumn by Vivaldi. We will learn the first part, and please see the website for part 2. We will begin the first part with the right hand. Right hand begins with first finger on F. Fifth finger plays C. First finger comes back to F. Again F. One more time F. Fifth is on C. And back to F. Again. Fifth finger moves up to the higher F. Third finger plays C. Second is on B flat. F and A is played by 1 and 3. Now E and G, also fingers 1 and 3. Again, and one more time. First finger plays F. Fifth is on C. First finger comes back to F. And again F. One more time F. Fifth is on C. First comes back to F. First finger plays F again, fifth is on C, fourth is on B flat, and together F and A, now E and G. First finger plays F, fifth finger plays the high F, first finger comes back to the low F. And again F, fifth is on E flat, first finger comes back to the low F, F again, fifth is on D, F, again F, and one more time F, fifth is on C, first is on F, and one more time F. Now let's look at the left hand. Left hand begins with fingers 5 and 3 on F and A. Again, and one more time. We'll repeat this set one more time, so 3 times F and A. 1, 2, 3, and one more time. Second is on B flat. First is on B natural. First finger plays C. Repeat the C. Second is on B flat. Third is on A. Fourth is on G. And together F and A, fingers 5 and 3. Again and again. One more time this set, so 1, 2, 3. One more time. Second is on B flat. First is on B natural. First finger plays C. Again C. B flat. A. G. And again 1, 2, 3. Now F and B flat. 1, 2, 3, and F and A 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and one more time. Okay, now let's combine hands together. Left hand begins with fifth and third fingers on F and A. Right hand plays F with first finger. Right hand plays C with fifth. And together, left hand the chord, right hand first finger on F. And again. One more time, together. Right hand fifth on C. And comes back to F with the left. And again. hand plays the chord, right hand plays the high F with fifth finger. third is on C, both hands play B flat, left hand plays B natural, right hand plays F and A, and together left hand first finger on C, right hand E and G. Together, left hand second on B flat, together left hand A, right hand E and G, left hand fourth is on G, and together left hand F and A, right hand F, right hand C, together, and again. One more time, right hand C, and back to F. One more time, and again. Right hand fifth on C, both hands play B flat, and together left hand first on B natural, right hand F and A, and together left hand first on C, right hand E and G. Now just the left hand first on C, B flat, A, G, and together left hand F and A, right hand F. High F comes back to the low F, together, again, one more time, right hand fifth on E flat, comes back to F, together, and again, left hand F and B flat, right hand first finger on F, right hand fifth on D, and comes back to F, and again, left hand F and A, right hand first finger on F, right hand fifth on C, and comes back to F. One more time, and last time. This is it for the first part. Please see the website for part 2, and happy practicing!